In China, the government is calling on municipalities to prepare for tropical storm Gaemi, which is heading inland. The storm has affected almost 630,000 people in China's Fujian province so far. The storm has already killed dozens of people in Taiwan and the Philippines and is now set to bring heavy rainfall to already badly flooded regions of China. DD India's correspondent Chris Gilbert reports.
The storm affected 630,000 households as it made landfall on the Fujian coast of China on Friday. About half of that number were requested to relocate or evacuate or find shelter from the storm surges, from the deluges, and from the severe winds of up to 100 kilometers an hour, and from the heavy rainfall of an accumulated 250 millimeters for that part of China. And while it was severe, it was significantly weakened from Thursday when it hit Taiwan with almost twice as strong winds of more than 205 kilometers an hour sustained gusts. The storm is now heading into the central area of China. It is bringing this rainfall with it, and this is a part of the country which has already been strongly affected, significantly affected by weeks of summer rains, as Gaemi has already claimed lives throughout the Philippines and throughout Taiwan, and China's central government certainly wants to prevent any more fatalities if it can possibly do so. The storm is heading for Shanxi province, which is home to the largest freshwater lake in China, and so with the risk of those banks bursting, with the risk of flooding and heavy rain in the future, even though the storm has weakened since it hit Taiwan, the danger has certainly not passed for China. Chris Gilbert in Tokyo, reporting for DD India.